Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are trading at 0.006573. As we are going into today's candlestick, we can already see that we are surpassing the entire body compared to the previous candlestick. Now, normally whenever we see these higher wick candle ranges, either at the very top or the bottom, it does show a signal of weakness as the body itself is coming downwards. So if we wanted the uptrend to be as strong as the current 2 days that we do see here, we would essentially need a very short wicks or no wicks at all. So we have an expansion of this wick going into today, and already the body itself is coming down and going to retest the 61%, which is the 6493. Now, one of the things that we are looking into, or what I am looking into, is to see if this is a bearish flag pattern here. So here is essentially our flag coming down again to that area of support, up to an area of resistance, going to retest that area of support. And essentially, if that is coming down to that area of support, that's going to be a high area of confluence, a high area of interest, because it's going to either make Jasmy come up and retrace again, come up to an area of resistance, or it's going to continue this downtrend that Jasmy had essentially of a correction on February 9th here. Now, if the downtrend is going to occur, we will need to come below our Ichimoku cloud itself, and that's going to be below 23% here, which is 4187. We are still continuing this uptrend for our overall trend itself, but again, if we do see that breakthrough, sorry, my correction, not at the 23%, it is going to be closer to the 50%, which is 5773. If we do see multiple candlesticks close below that, then it is going to jeopardize this uptrend for Jasmy and go into a bear market ever since that breakout that we saw on January 13th going into January 15th itself. So that's kind of my prediction here. We are going to see that overcloud, that engulfing candlestick of today's candlestick from the previous one, actioning going into tomorrow, more of a selling phase. We're going to see possibly it come down to 6333 until we're able to see either that uptrend. Once we see that MACD indicator here going into another wave, we can see 1, 2 histograms in the red, and then normally it would die out, but then we had a huge selling factor here. Taking a look at the RSI, it is kind of angling downwards. Normally after that, after the MACD indicator would get into the lighter color, losing that momentum of the bearish side, we would have seen that our K line, which is this blue line, expand upwards, but it is looking like it's angling downwards. So a possible sell into a bearish, breaking that 50%. And again, I'm not hoping that would do it, but it is a cautionary here if we are found below this indicator of our Ichimoku cloud itself. So that's my observations here for Jasmy. Thanks so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you next time.